Hello friends, is everything great? So today we are going to make pencil decor. So let's get started. Now let's take 3 strips and stick it to make a star. And if you want to know how to make star, the detailed video is in description box and in I button. And the star is ready. Now let's cut a triangle from downwards like this way. Now let's take one more paper and draw the outline of star. Now let's draw eyes and mouth. Now pop the star the way shown in the video. And stick this. And the pencil decor is almost ready. Now let's put the pencil, and the pencil decor is ready. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below, and do follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.